Hey guys, welcome to Get Going Fast. We're getting into this excellent hobby of AI in a quick and efficient manner in which you might learn something. And I am going fast right now because WAN 2.2 has hit, and we're going to get into it. I'm going to get you going so fast with this. You're going to be able to do this even on your smaller models. You think you're probably not going to be doing this with a 1080 or any of that kind of stuff, but you're going to be running this with your 300s, your 40s. We're going to get you going quickly. I mean, it's so fast. You're going to be surprised. Okay, we're going to go over here and look at the ComfyUI stuff, which we're not even really have to follow a whole lot of directions. But look at this. We're going to be making Ninja Turtles kissing Taylor Swift before we even know what hit us. So this is going to be our FP8 scaled models that we're looking at. Quant models are already available. I'll walk you through those in another video, and I'm working on a full quant manager for you that should be out by the end of the day, where you're going to be able to download all of this stuff, and you're going to be able to do this with as low as 8 gigabytes of VRAM. It's happening, and it happened today. It's happening so fast. So let's jump into this. Within 5 to 10 minutes, guys, you're going to be doing this. So let's yo it up. All right. All right, so easy, guys. What we're going to do is we're going to open up your ComfyUI. You got to open up your ComfyUI first, okay? It's going to pop up like this. Okay, now, normally you're just going to load it up. It's going to have a default. You've got to update this bad boy. So you go and click Manager, okay? And then click where it says Update ComfyUI. Or you can do Update All. Update ComfyUI, it's going to run it all up, okay? And then you're going to want to reload, okay? It'll ask you to restart, then you reload. Now, I'm going to tell you the truth. When I was running mine, the ComfyUI things get so mucky. I actually had to delete my virtual environment and just start over. Actually, I just completely redid my virtual environment with my ComfyUI because it got muddled up, okay? And sometimes you got to do that. All you got to do is go delete the VENV file. But anyway, you update it, okay? It's so easy, guys. You come into here. Okay, once it's reloaded, and you're going to know if you've updated it because this will either work or it won't. You're going to click up here where it says Workflow. And you can go Browse Templates. Now check this out. This is so cool. See over here it says Video. Whoa. WAN 2.2 14B text to video. WAN 2.2 14B image to video. WAN 2.2 5B video generation. If these are not showing, it means you haven't updated your ComfyUI properly, okay? And if you keep updating it, it keeps not working, go in there, delete the virtual environment folder, okay? And then just start over, okay? Go to comfy.getgoingfast. You can always go here, comfy.getgoingfast.pro, and get a free installation here, okay? And then you can get it going. But anyway, so let's grab this 2.2 5B video. Now watch this. Here's the workflow. This is gorgeous, okay? Now there's just a few things we got to do. Notice over here it's got the models WAN 2.1 T2V. All you got to do is you're going to click that, okay? It's going to pop up a thing. It's going to ask you to save it. Let me see if I can. It's going to look like this, okay? It's going to ask you to save it, okay? And you're going to go to your ComfyUI folder. Okay, let's go to our shoot, I'm over here. Let's go. You go to where you've got your ComfyUI installed. Okay, you go into the folder, you find your models, and then you're going to go to this directory, diffusion models, and then you just press save, okay? And it will go ahead and save it. Okay, then you're going to pop back. All right, and then you do the same thing. You're going to click this WAN 2.2 VAE save tensors. Same thing. It's gonna pop up. This time we'll put it in the folder that's called VAE. Notice I'm already in there. So you go to your models, you go to your VAE, and then you're gonna save it. Okay. Same thing. Now we pop back over, click on our text encoder, click that bad boy up like that. Burpity burp. Okay. We go to our models, text encoders, save it. Okay. Done. All right, and then what we do, then we go ahead, we hit our refresh button, okay, so you reload the page, okay, just go like that. Now we're going to come over here. This is very important. here, this part, okay? So we're going to go to here. Notice this is where our model is going to be, okay? So we're going to click here. We're going to find the model that we downloaded. This is our text to video, so we'll grab the TTV 5B FP16. But now check this weight D type. We're going to click that. Now put FP8E4M3FN, which is what we downloaded over here, okay? And the reason for that is what it's going to do, well, we actually download, but it's going to use it. And what that's going to do is it's going to basically quant our stuff. It shrinks the parameters to make it work. And then you're going to be able to do stuff within just a couple of minutes. So now you've got your prompts over here, okay? You'll be able to click your run, and you are now in the game of creating for WAN 2.2 that fast, okay? Very easy. Now all of a sudden, and this again is I ran, and that just took a couple of minutes, okay, to run on my 4090. Okay, so this is fast way. The only other thing that'll be faster than this is if you're running the quant models, and you can go even smaller, and we'll cover that. Like I said, I've got a quant model that's going to be on the way. If you want to play around with the other models, just do this. Go to your workflows, browse templates, video, then grab your 14B text to video or your image to video, okay? And same thing, you're just going to click it, it's going to pop up, and then same thing, you've got to just have to click here and download the correct models. Now, I do want to point out something. The way these models are working is, if you're using the 14 billion stuff, they have what's called a high noise model and a low noise model. Okay, so the high noise generates the image, and the low noise works on the details. And so what you're going to do is you're going to download both of these, okay? And then you're going to put it into here. You're going to put the high noise here and the low noise there. Same thing. Make sure that your FP8 here is set, and then you'll be able to run this stuff fairly fast, okay? Fairly, okay? So I ran... this one actually took me about 20 minutes on my 49. So that was a long time. So going with the 5B is definitely definitely better. But the bottom line is you can get going with it. You go back up here, click your workflows, browse templates, click video. I want to try the text to video one. Okay, so same thing. Click in there. You've got your models. Make sure they're downloaded in the right place. Refresh and load it. Guys, you're going. You're using WAN 2.2 day 0 on smaller stuff. So there you have it. All right. So good job. Share with me what you're working on. Okay. Go out and have fun. If you do appreciate this video, you can always give me a super thanks. And let's get to getting on this. So easy to go. You're doing it today, yo.